Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check Facebook version on Android phone. And now let's start reading. Now to check the Facebook version on your Android phone, first you'll be required to open the settings of your phone. And from over here guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for you over here. Tap on apps. And again over here you'll be required to tap on the app management at the top of the screen. And on the search bar at the top of the screen, search for Facebook. And when you land on this page guys, you can see the Facebook name at the top of the screen, and there is the version available for us, which is 456.00.39.90. And guys, if you think your Facebook is outdated guys, you will be able to go to the Play Store to update it. So open up the Play Store and check either the Facebook is up to date or not. And you can see guys, currently my Facebook needs an update, and if an update is available, similar kind of setting will pop up. Tap on the update guys and your Facebook will be updated. And guys, this is how you will be able to see the version of Facebook on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.